maybe you can hire the A-Team.
No matter the day, no matter the time, no matter the mountain you show me I climb, no matter the adversity, I'm going for mine. I'm going for mine, I'm going for mine. No matter the place, no matter the time, you give me the beat, I show you the rhyme. No matter the adversity, I'm going for mine. I'm going for mine, I'm going for mine. Who reminds you out of your mind, you better recline. I feel a nine. Niggas get left quadriplegic when them at they spine. Some them divine, one of a kind, and I rhyme ahead of my time. Some of them blind, so they can't see the sun when it shine. Yo, my first name half, middle name grind, last name war, meaning literally y'all. What the you gonna tell me when I get to the door? I done came from the bottom like gum on the floor. Got wings like an eagle, watch me soar. I am the epitome, keeping the eagle for more. I'm a beast at the very least. Got the streets like peace, just keeping it raw. People out in France, they dreaming like bonjour. Get compliments from Catherine the North. You don't even know who that there. Fall backs and I do that there. Yeah. No matter the day, no matter the time.
Over, hands off on the 25 on the left side. Still on the right cross back to high.
Save all that bullshit, take it to the grave. You better think before you step out. Go like Frank back from the maze. The way I put these words together, certainly amazed. The way I put the tracks together, certainly with blaze. This is audio crack, get back. I'm packing like 12s and take it to the stage. Now turn my mic up a few decibels, just to make sure I get the message through. You can get your food in like a festival, cause I don't eat beef, I eat vegetables. Now let that be a lesson too. You ain't you, I am a professional. Is that the best that your best can do? I make
hands off over 7 on the middle.
No matter the day, no matter the time, no matter the mountain you show me, no matter the adversity, I'm going for mine.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Keep her on the left side.